Hi guys, welcome to the mid-segment theorem. Our objective today is to identify the mid-segment and learn how to use that property. And just basically know how to use that property. So by definition, mid-segment of a triangle is basically a segment that connects the midpoint of the two sides of a triangle. So let's say you have a triangle here, to example, and you find the middle of this side here, and so that means these two are the same, and you find the middle of this one, these two are the same, and there you go, you connect it, midpoint to midpoint. So really simply, you connect it from midpoint to midpoint. Okay. Example 1 asks you to show that mid-segment FG is parallel to side CD and also is half as long as CD. Right now, all you have to know is that how you identify the parallel. First thing first, I want you to notice this. You have 3 units here, and you have 3 units here. So point F is right in the middle. Over here, you have 4 units here, and 4 units here, and point G is right in the middle. So if I want to find the slope of FG, remember, let's start at point F, you go up 3, right 3. So up 3, right 3. Oh, my bad, right 4. Okay? So when you try to simplify, which cannot be done, your slope is 3 over 4. Now, when you try to find the slope of CD right here, so the slope of CD, here's our point C, go up 6, and then right 8, and then when you simplify both of them by 2, you get 3 over 4. So these two right here both have the same slope. Okay? So now you can say that FG is parallel to CD because they have the same slope. Okay? Now, what you want to learn is that when you do this right here, you're going to find this length here at 5. When you go ahead and do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And this one here is going to be 10. Okay? And you can prove that, again, by doing this in formula, or by doing a squared plus b squared equals c squared. But what's important is that when you see this midpoint connected, these two sides are parallel, and that's what's important. Just learn how to recognize that's a mid-segment. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the mid-segment theorem. So here's the idea. We want to identify that D is in the middle of AC and E is in the middle of CB. That means DE is parallel to AB. Okay? Now, here's what's important. Once you identify that this is the mid-segment right here, okay? That means DE is the half of AB. Now, to make sense of this, really, all it's saying is that, how much is it? You just need to know that 2DE is equal to 1AB, or another way to say it is that AB it's going to be SEDE. It's going to be a half of AB. That's all it is. We need 2 of this to make 1 AB, or a half of AB will give you 1 DE. So that's what the mid-segment theorem is. It only works when it's in the middle of this side here, in the middle of this side, you connect it, and these two will power. Okay? So let's take a look at example 1, and let's try working out what we learned. So, here's how it works. They say that ST and TU are the mid segment. That's going to be your keyword. Mid segment right here. So when that happens, really simple. This right here is 20. So here you double it. That will be 40 from here to here. Okay? And since S is in the middle, but think about from here to here 40, and this in the middle, this should be what? That one should be 20. And this should be 20, since it's in the middle. Yeah? So that's not so bad. Now take a look at this side. Let's say you have here RQ and 30. When you bring back here, it's just going to be half of it, half of 30. So this right here, half of 30, which is just 15. And at the same time, since point U is in the middle, this is 15, and this is 15 also. Yeah? Then go ahead and label what you know. They want to know how big is PR, which you already discovered. It says what? So it'll be 40. And then ST right here, it should be 15. There you go, not so bad. The more you practice, the more you can remember that pattern. Let's try one more. You're going to actually find JK and AB. Notice that these two are the same, so we know that point J is in the middle. These two sides are the same, so we know that point K is in the middle. So that's a mid segment right there. If you look at the bottom one here, these two are the same, so point L is in the middle. And these two are the same, they're both in the middle. Okay? So, let's see what we can do. Since there's a 10 right here, what would this be? So half of 10 will be 5. This is 6. What would this be? The whole thing AB. Should be 12. Okay? Let's go ahead and identify what we can. JK, here's JK, we already know what that is, which is 5. AB, let's see, AB here, A and B, so that's 12. Well, that's pretty simple. And the question asks you, why did JK power through AC? Really simple, you can see that this is the mid segment. Okay? Or you can just say that the slope is 0 for this right here. But I prefer that you say this is the mid segment triangle. Okay? Go ahead and try the next one on your own and see if you can do it.